Here's how pre-owned superbike dealers scam you, part 7. One of our followers from Karnataka got in touch with a dealer from Chennai to buy a Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. When asked about the service records, the dealer said that it had some minor issues, but now it's in pristine condition. To understand this fraud better, let's focus on these three things one by one. At first, the dealer said that the insurance has expired and that he'll get it done, which he never did. After buying the bike, the follower had to pay for the insurance from his own pocket. The dealer gave only one key and said कि दूसरी की वो डिलीवरी के बाद दे देगा जो उसने नहीं किया. After the delivery, the follower came to know that the second key was kept by the previous owner because उसका और डीलर का कुछ issue हो गया था. The loan was paid and the dealer said he'll send the bank NOC after the delivery, which again he never did.
गजब टोपीबाज आदमी.
In reality, the loan NOC was lost and the previous owner was not cooperating to apply for a new one. मतलब बाइक का लोन रीपे हो चुका था बट अभी भी आरसी पे हाइपोथिकेशन दिखा रहा था.
2 years later.
Now when this follower decided to sell the bike, he checked the service history and found out that it had met with a major accident. This is the proof. He tried selling it back to the dealer, but the dealer said that it has an accidental history and gave him a very lowball offer.
ये सब दोगलापन.
अब इस डीलर ने सारी डीलर्स में बात फैला दी कि ये एक एक्सीडेंटल बाइक है, making it even harder for the follower to sell the bike. Finally, some other dealer bought the bike from the follower and sold it to a cute bakra. What we can learn from this is always take a mechanic with you, always check the service records. और अगर डीलर कह रहा है कि डिलीवरी के बाद में मैं आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स दूंगा, की दूंगा, ये दूंगा, वो दूंगा, डोंट ट्रस्ट हिम एंड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम सच डील्स. अगर आपका भी किसी डीलर ने काटा है, सो शेयर योर स्टोरी इन डिटेल ऑन दिस email ID along with your Instagram ID and the dealer's name to get featured. I'll keep you anonymous and if you're liking this dealer series, तो दोगलापन छोड़ो and follow me at Shake Shifts for more.